Suzuki just dropped a bomb on the motocross world. The all-new 2026 RM-Z1050 pushes displacement boundaries in a class that's been stuck at 450 cubic centimeters for years. Is bigger actually better on the track? Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we test the machines that challenge conventions. Design. The RM-Z1050 features aggressive styling that matches its bold engine choice. Sleek bodywork maintains that classic Suzuki yellow while incorporating sharp, modern lines. The slim profile keeps rider ergonomics in mind despite the larger engine. Redesigned radiator shrouds improve cooling and grip, while the updated subframe sheds weight. Every component has been engineered for purpose. This is a race bike that looks as serious as it performs. Performance. The 1050 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine redefines power delivery for motocross. Torque is available everywhere, making corner exits explosive yet controllable. The engine character is surprisingly linear, avoiding the brutal hit some feared. Updated suspension components handle the extra power beautifully, soaking up rough sections while maintaining precise control. The chassis remains nimble despite increased displacement. Braking performance is exceptional with upgraded components providing confident stopping power lap after lap. Features and technology. Suzuki hasn't skimped on technology. The electronic fuel injection system adapts to conditions for consistent power delivery. Selectable engine maps allow riders to tune aggression to track conditions or skill level. Launch control helps maximize starts without looping out. The hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel even during long motos. Reinforced frame geometry handles the additional stress while maintaining the playful handling Suzuki is known for. Premium components throughout reflect serious racing intentions. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z1050 proves innovation still has a place in motocross. Does the sport need bigger displacement bikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this review got you stoked, hit that like button, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more two-wheel coverage. See you at the track.